We're staying with the sunshine in this sheltered anchorage, whilst the storm blows itself out further south. There's no point in mooching about on the boat. This is a great chance to go bear spotting.
They're just straight ahead, where the ice meets the land, just off the...
Jason and I are taking out the kayaks to explore the nearby glacier. And there's not just polar bears around here. Very curious. Perhaps just a bit too curious.
You see it ahead, Steve, on the beach, the bear.
Where?
12 o'clock.
Oh, there he is. He's looking at us.
It's just there,
Yeah. Oh, he's coming to have a look.
This is close enough, Steve.
This goes to show how inquisitive the bears are. He wouldn't know whether we were a potential food source or not, and at this time of year, it's worth investigating. Look at that!
We back out.
Wouldn't like to get much closer without the outboard strapped to the back.
Lone male bears like this are something Aurora's got to worry about. There's really only 3 things that can kill a polar bear cub: an accident, starvation, or a big male bear looking for a mate. Males will sometimes kill the cubs so they can mate with the females themselves. Time to get back to the ship. But first we've got to run the gauntlet. This whole place is full of walrus. That bear's still nearby, but they're not bothered. They're far too big and well armed.
He's hot on your tail, Jason.
As well as being unpredictable, they're sometimes uncomfortably inquisitive.
Let's keep moving.
The tusks are a sign of rank. The male with the biggest tusks is usually the boss of his group. And they also work as ice picks when they drag themselves out of the water up onto the ice. In fact, the scientific name for walrus means tooth walker. But of course, they're also serious weapons for fighting, slashing and stabbing. They might look quite comic, but these are animals you need to treat with a lot of respect.
I think we've been adopted.
Keep going, mate.
Time to get out of the water and let it clear off.
You know, they could be territorial for the ice floes, mate.
Ooh. I think they could be.
I think that was a walrus.
Mate, that wasn't nice. Behave. Now what do you reckon?
Now I think we stay on the ice floe until we get picked up by a rescue boat.
Come. That's it. Getting the idea now.
Getting the idea.
Yeah.
If you do a circle and scare him away. Okay. Now we hop in the boat from here.
That was unpleasant.
Let's go back on the...
I just keep hearing sounds behind me and thinking, it's a walrus. I'm glad I'm in the big boat. See him try and stick a tusk in one of these.